Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, December 14th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. If you watch my videos for any length of time, you know I absolutely hate Fridays, but today was the Friday of all Fridays. We got cleaned out worse than we have since I can remember. I know I have had worse days than today, but they've been so long ago I can't remember. Anyway, we had four positions coming in today, and they all went, well, three of those four went really bad, and even the fourth one lost a few $100. But total it all up, we dropped just over $32,000 this morning in closed out trades. It's just absolutely a massacre. So I guess I get coal in my stocking for Christmas. This certainly wasn't the Santa rally. Um, we got into three new positions, one positive, two negative, and we're actually holding positive just over $4,000 over the weekend. But what I'm showing you, we also did a kind of negative milestone today, and I'm showing you the long shot on the Dow going back here to October 29th or 28th, when the Dow made this big spike down. I had called that the low of the correction. I put in a red line here so you can see. And what happened today, for the first time, the Dow has closed below that low. So my low that I predicted was the low of the correction has been violated. And aside from that, it is showing that I was wrong, but also we have more bad stuff coming, basically. So today was the worst Friday of all. Got bad news across the board, and we really had a terrible day. I'll show you one the one good trade, because I'm just not going to show those really terrible ones. But even this has been a monster for us. This is Degas, which is inverse natural gas. And remember, 3 days ago, we bought this thing. It closed, and we're up about $5,000, I think, on the close, and then it reversed. These all the natural gas always gaps, and so it's always a gamble, and it gapped against us. So $5,000 in profit went to a $4,000 loss. So that was a big hit yesterday. And then the thing started going up after it got out. And this morning it gapped up. And we buy those gaps. This time it didn't reverse. It kept going. And we're holding about $6,000 profit, open trade profit in Degas. But of course, you know, if I was cynical, I'd say, well, it's probably going to gap down on Monday. But I've been, and you know, by the way, we were getting whipsawed in UGAZ, the natural gas bull during all this. So we got double double whammy here. But anyway, today we got in long on short natural gas, and it kept going, and we have $6,000 there. And my experience with these whipsaws are that this probably won't go against us on Monday. It will go up some more, but predicting movement over the weekend is always very difficult. Anyway, absolutely horrible day. I am going to shut this monitors down and not think about these markets. But interestingly enough, I'm reading a really good book about the Enron crisis a long time ago, and I think I'm reading that because a lot of people lost their life savings in that mess, and all I can say is I haven't lost my life savings, just dented a little by this stuff, but maybe it'll make me feel a little bit better. Anyway, you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back here on Monday.